Your phone is dead, won't turn on, black screen, no response, nothing. And the first thing you're thinking isn't, how do I fix the phone? It's, are my photos gone? Here's the answer most people don't expect. Probably not. A dead phone and dead data are two completely different things. And understanding that difference is what this video is about. I'm going to walk you through exactly what's happening, what it means for your data, and what your real options are. Let me explain why a phone that won't turn on doesn't automatically mean your data is gone. Your photos, contacts, messages, and files don't live in the part of the phone that makes it turn on. They live on a dedicated storage chip. Think of it like a tiny solid-state drive soldered onto the logic board. That chip is separate from the battery, separate from the screen, separate from the power circuits. In the vast majority of cases where a phone goes dark, that storage chip is completely untouched. Think of it this way. If your car won't start, your glove box isn't empty. The engine problem and what's stored inside are two separate things entirely. Same principle. So what actually kills a phone without destroying the data? A few things. The battery dies and won't hold a charge anymore. The screen cracks or separates and the display stops working even though the phone is technically on. A software update corrupts the boot process. The charging port breaks. A drop damages the power management circuit on the logic board. All of these can make a phone look completely dead. And in all of these cases, the storage chip is almost certainly fine. The situations where data loss becomes a real risk are more specific. Severe physical trauma that directly impacts the logic board, water damage that causes corrosion to spread across components, or in rare cases, a failed software flash that corrupts the file system on the storage chip itself. But for most people watching this with a phone that simply won't turn on, your data is very likely still there. The question is how to get to it. Before you do anything else, run through these checks. They're fast, and one of them solves the problem more often than you'd think. First, charge it. Not for 5 minutes. Plug it in, leave it alone for a full hour, then try again. Deeply drained batteries sometimes won't show any charging indicator for the first 20 to 30 minutes. Second, try a different cable and charger. Faulty cables are one of the most common reasons a phone appears dead. Third, force restart. On most iPhones, it's a specific button combination, volume up, volume down, then hold the side button. On Android, it varies by manufacturer, but usually involves holding power and volume down together for 10 to 15 seconds. If none of those work, the phone still won't respond to anything, then you're past the DIY stage. What happens next depends on what caused it. Quick note, if this is happening to you right now, PhoneDataRecovery.com offers a free diagnostic and a no data, no charge guarantee. We won't charge you a penny unless we actually recover your files. Links in the description. Recovery success depends on the extent of the damage. Results vary by device and situation. Not all dead phones are the same, and the cause of the failure changes what recovery looks like. If it's a battery or charging issue, this is the best case scenario. The storage is almost certainly intact. A repair shop can replace the battery or fix the charging port. The phone boots up and your data is right there waiting for you. This is not a data recovery situation, it's a repair situation. If it's a screen failure, the phone is technically on, but you can't see anything, your data is also very likely fine. In some cases, we can connect the phone to an external display or extract the data directly without needing the screen to work at all. If it's a logic board failure, something on the main circuit board has failed beyond just the battery or screen, this is where professional recovery becomes necessary. The storage chip is likely still intact, but accessing it requires bypassing or removing the damaged board entirely. That's a chip-off recovery. If the phone was dropped and has visible damage, the outcome depends entirely on what took the impact. A shattered screen with an intact board is very recoverable. A direct impact to the center of the logic board is more serious. A diagnostic will tell you which situation you're in. Here's the bottom line. If your phone won't turn on, don't assume the worst. Run through the basic checks first. Charge it properly. Try a different cable. Force restart. If none of that works, the cause of the failure matters more than the fact that it's dead. In most cases, the data is still there. If you're in that situation right now, start with a free diagnostic at PhoneDataRecovery.com. We'll tell you exactly what you're dealing with and what your options are before you commit to anything. Mail-in and drop-off, both available. Link in the description. Subscribe if you want straight answers about phone data recovery every week. No fluff. See you in the next one.